All right, hi Pirates. So for today's math practice, we're going to apply what we know about subtraction and addition to solve a few problems. So we're going to be using our Envision book again today. So the first thing that I want you guys to do today is to solve this solve and share. So if you look at the top, it says, I can solve problems that take more than one step. So a few months ago in school, we actually worked on some 1 and 2 step word problems. So these are going to be very similar to that. And the first thing I want you to do today is I want you to read through this solve and share about Jody and her bake sale. And I want you to show me, of course, on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard, how you solved this one. After you solve this, then you're going to go to the next page, which I will show you, and you're going to solve a few more. So let's look at this one together first. I'm going to read it to you, so you might want to get your paper or your whiteboard ready. So this one says, Jody wants to bake 350 muffins. She bakes one batch of 160 muffins and one batch of 145 muffins. How many more muffins does Jody need to bake? So you're going to think about, I'm going to go back to our target today and I'm going to remind myself, this is probably going to be a 2-step problem. I already hear in here that I have a total that she wants to make, and I know how much she's already made. So I know all of those things. And if I look down here at my thinking habits, these are really good reminders, mathematicians. What do I already know? What do I need to find out? And how can I check that my solution makes sense? So I want you to pause the video and you're going to solve this first solve and share, and this will be the first part of your practice today. So go ahead and pause and solve, and then come back to me. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you've gone and solved our solve and share. So next we're going to go to our series of problems that we are going to look at together. So we're actually going to go to this first page here. Let me make sure I can get this all in for you. Okay, so for the second part of your practice today, you're actually going to be solving all 3 of these, and you're going to use the this chart at the top, and I see that this is about the weights of wild animals in pounds. So we have the animal listed here, we have the weight listed here, and then you have 3 tasks that you are going to use the table to solve each problem and then show you your work. So for your math today, you're going to show me 4 different problems. Your solve and share will be the first, and then you're going to solve these 3 about wild animal weights. And you'll want to pause this video so that you can use the grid and you can see what you need to answer on your math problems. Okay, so again, you're thinking about, what do I already know? What do I need to know? And what do I need to do to make sure that my answer makes sense? Okay, so today, again, you're going to show me all 4 of these 3 plus the solve and share. Okay, excellent work, mathematicians. I can't wait to see it.